Hey y'all, so I have a quick video on this install that I did in my last video. I promised y'all that I would upload the detailed version of me installing this wig from UNicehair. I know y'all have been requesting vlogs, so I will have more vlogs coming soon, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching.
Represent the crew with Cymone.
So before we get into the wig install, I just wanted to show you what came in my UNice box. So I got a robe, and here is the packaging that the wig came in. This is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. I also got 2 wig caps, an elastic band, some lashes, a makeup brush, a silk bag to store your wig in, and then here is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. I just wanted to show you how it looked coming straight out the box. It has these really nice highlights, perfect for the springtime. So before the install, I went ahead and bleached the knots, and this is what the wig was looking like after I bleached the knots. As you can see, I did over bleach the parting area just a little bit, but we will fix that later. I started off by going in with some Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just using my finger to spread this out, and I did about 2 to 3 layers of this glue. So after the glue got nice and tacky, as you can see, I am just lining up the hairline where I placed the glue. And then I'm using a rat tail comb and really pressing the lace into the skin. After that, I went ahead and cut off the ear tabs. And then I like to cut the lace into smaller sections. This will just make it easier to cut down the lace. So then I'm going in with a razor and cutting away any extra lace that we don't need. I just got this new lace mousse off of Amazon, and I wanted to try it out, so I'm applying this onto the hairline just to see if it'll help blend in my lace even more. So after that, I'm pinning up the hair. Any areas that I feel like needed some extra glue, I just like to go back in with my rat tail comb and apply some extra glue, especially on like the ear tab area. I always feel like I have to put just a little bit more glue than the rest of the hair. And then while my elastic band is on, I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb to get this wig super flat. Then I'm going in with some mascara, and I applied this on like a little eyeshadow brush, and I'm just cleaning up any areas that I over bleached, just applying this mascara onto the part. And then I just go ahead and pull out any extra hairs that I feel like need to be plucked out. Next, Next, I'm going in with just a tiny bit of concealer and applying that to the hairline. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer. The hair was already about 95% dry. I just went in with the blow dryer just to get rid of some of the frizz. Okay, so after that, I took off the elastic band, and this is what she is looking like so far. So I'm going back in with that wax stick along the hairline, and then I'm going back in with my hot comb and really just trying to flatten out the hairline. And as you can see, it's starting to look like scalp. And this hairline did come pre-plucked, so only thing extra that I had to do was bleach the knots. And next I'm just creating my sideburns. I decided to not do any baby hairs for this wig just because I thought it looked pretty natural. So I did just cut a little bit of sideburns. And then I'm just going in with my brush and some got to be gel to lay down the sideburns. This is when I was starting to feel myself because this wig was looking super natural. I was loving it. So next I decided to cut just a little bit of layers in the front to frame my face a little bit. And now I'm just going in with my curling iron and I'm just adding some loose curls to the hair. And literally, y'all, that was it. This wig was super easy to install. I feel like the more I keep doing these wigs, I just be getting better and better. So if you try it out, let me know. I love how easy it was to install and it looks super natural. So make sure you check out all the links in the description box down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a vlog, so stay tuned. All right, love y'all. Bye. Mwah.